Subscribe and press bell icon to never miss a video from Shweta's Art Gallery.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Art Gallery. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit bell button ting 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 right next to it so that you stay notified whenever I post new videos. In today's video, you will see how to DIY Diwali lamp decor for the upcoming Diwali festival. Materials needed are A4 size sheet, pencil, eraser, safety pin, thermocol, glue, scissor and rough paper. Begin by drawing the desired design on the rough paper. I drew Diya placed in lotus flower design. Take A4 sheet paper, trace the earlier drawn design onto the sheet. Take your time and do this procedure. How it turns out on sheet after tracing the design. Do the same on one end of the sheet. Take thermocol and safety pin. Place paper on top of thermocol and using safety pin, slightly poke on the design following the lines of the design. Do this gently and carefully not to tear the paper. This is how it looks once completed. Glue one end of the sheet and join the other end to form the cylindrical shape. Our DIY Diwali lamp decor is ready. Make these with different designs and decorate your home with diyas for this Diwali. I wish you guys a very happy and safe Diwali. Say no to crackers this Diwali. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe. Do give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.